My presentation is on reduplicated numerals and plurality in Bangla. Uh, Next slide, please. Okay. Introduction. This presentation aims to formally address the widely debated issue of quantification in natural language semantics, focusing on mainly reduplicated quantification in Bangla. The feature of reduplication is a very prominent linguistic feature that is found in South Asia, and the process of reduplication is a morphological process where the root or stem of a word is repeated exactly or repeated with partial modification, that is called partial reduplication. And though the theory of reduplication is morphologically grounded, this phenomenon is observed to be semantically loaded, and it is used as a device to perform many grammatical functions in natural language. Next slide, please. Reduplication can either be fully reduplication or partial reduplication. In Bangla, reduplication is both fully reduplication and partial reduplication. And reduplication is not only found in numerals but also in quantifiers, in verbs, and also in numerals, numbers. Sometimes intonation patterns of the reduplicated roots or stems also alter in the process. In the case of Bangla, reduplicated numerals that are cardinal numbers, they are both fully as well as partially reduplicated and seldom without any intonation modification. This paper inquires into adequately analyze distributivity, that is distributive plurality in Bangla, with special attention to how the numerals, mostly cardinal numerals, are reduplicated in Bangla to encode distributivity. Next slide. There is a lot of literature surrounding this topic. The formal study of quantification and its logical dimensions have been a widely debated issue in formal semantics as well as in syntax. The formalization of the properties of quantified operators is therefore standardized by Barwell's and Cooper's 1981 seminal arguments on quick and strong quantification in the generalized quantifier theory that has been proposed by them. Uh, Moreover, in May 1978 and 1990, addresses the issue of the syntactic structure of quantification, whereas Sabocchi 2015 analyzes the semantic treatment of the quantified particle. Mm, Other than that, the semantic perspectives on the cardinal and proportional quantification is also put forward by Party in 2002. Next slide. In addition to that, the issue of the treatment of plurality in natural language is an ongoing research area that has been addressed in contemporary semantics. In Gyana Tridu 2019 inquires into the aspects of definiteness and plurality. Maltman 2016 looks into plural reference. Winter and Shaw 2015 and Jacob Romoli 2019 examine the semantic predical structure and scope of plurals. This is the semantic treatment of plurals in natural language. However, these arguments have not adequately addressed the phenomenon relating to the different strategies of encoding, quantification, and plurality, focusing mainly on the South Asian languages. Abid 1985, Balusu 2006, etc. Next slide, please. Abby, 1985, in her seminal work, proposes that there are four semantic features that are mainly represented by nominal reduplication in South Asian languages. These encoded semantic features are distributiveness, that is distributive plurality, emphasis, exclusive, and discrete time nominals. Abby claims that only the distributive feature is found in Bangla nominal reduplications. According to Abby, 1992, these are several instances of reduplication in many South Asian languages. For example, Sindhi verbal reduplication, uh, halande while walking, Nepali iku reduplication, guran, gurun, thundering sounds, etc. So these are the eco reduplication. Likewise, reduplication is also used occasionally in everyday languages in India. The Tibeto-Berber languages examples are the following: reduplication of adjectives in hoi hoi good good in Paite, and adverbial reduplication thun thun fast fast in Meiteilon. And there are also other reduplicative structures in Tibeto-Burman languages. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Uh, According to Balusu, 2006, in Telugu as well as in some of the other Dravidian languages, for example, Kannada, Tamil, and Malayalam, reduplication of numerals gives rise to distributive readings. The phenomenon is illustrated with the different kinds of distributive readings that are possible for this sentence. These kids saw two monkeys. Here, the numeral is reduplicated to express the semantic loading of distributivity. The above examples show that the reduplicated numeral construction gives rise to distributive readings. There are no collective readings of a reduplicated numeral construction in Telugu. Uh, Next slide. Reduplicated numerals and distributivity. In this presentation, I put forward a partly formalized account of the distributive plurality, Champollion 2019, that is expressed by some of the reduplicated numeral phrases in Bangla. Plurality in languages is expressed in two ways: collective plurality and distributive plurality. For collective plurality, the range of variable is limited or restricted by casual conditioners. In English, the words like marry, couple, together, etc. expresses collective plurality in sentences. Distributive plurality, on the other hand, denotes the possible range of the variable over or over at most possible words. There are many strategies that are used by languages to encode distributivity. In Bangla, distributiveness is captured by reduplicating the numerals. Next slide, please. The reduplicative numeral phrases in Bangla that encode distributivity, we get the distributive reading that is not present in the non-reduplicative occurrence. The existing literature on distributivity examines the distributive operator that captures temporal distributivity, event distributivity, and to some extent intensification of an event. In this presentation, it is analyzed that reduplicative numerals in Bangla are strategically used to encode implicit quantification and distributive plurality. However, not all kinds of reduplicative numerals encode distributive plurality. They also express the semantic feature of exclusivity, focus that will also be discussed in this presentation, and productionality, etc. The interaction between reduplicated numerals with focus and productionals are also discussed in this presentation. Next slide. The examples of the reduplicative numerals in Bangla are thus the following. In example 1, এই পাড়ায় সব বাড়িতে চার চারটে গাড়ি আছে, meaning there are 4 cars in each of the houses in this neighborhood. It can be seen in this example that char charte, here the char, which is 4 in Bangla, the number is reduplicated to give the distributive plural meaning. In example 2, সব দেশেই এক একটা বড় নদী আছে. There are at least one big river in every country. So here, distributive plurality and as well as quantification, both are expressed by this reduplicative numeral ek ekta, ek meaning one in Bengali. Here ek is repeated twice, ek ekta. Ta here is the classifier marker. So in these two examples, we can observe that reduplicative numerals which are expressing distributive plurality. Next slide, please. Reduplicative numerals and focus. So moreover, in this paper presents the issue of focus as encoded in reduplicative numerals in Bangla. In this paper, I examine the structure and semantic content of the various reduplicated numeral phrases and its relation to implicit focus in Bangla, as can be observed in the following example. In example 3, Rani 3 jama kineche. meaning Rani has bought 3 dresses. Here teen, meaning 3 in Bangla, is reduplicated to give rise to both plurality and focus. In example 4, Ramer চার চারটে ঘোড়া আছে জানিস কি তুই? Here char, meaning 4 in Bangla, is reduplicated to both encode the semantic loading of focus and also distributed plurality. Here char charte is also introducing focus, that is implicit focus without any focus marker in Bangla. Next slide. In the previous examples, the reduplicated numeral constructions denote implicit focus by encoding further information implicitly. In example 1, the focus encodes the speaker's attitude to excessiveness, and in example 2, the focus is on the surprise, exclamation expressed by the speaker that Ram possesses 4 horses. So it can be observed that in Bangla, reduplicated numerals not only denote plurality, that is, by repeating the numeral, we are expressing plurality, but also we are giving the additional information of focus. Next slide, please. Reduplicated numerals and productionality. In this presentation, I account for the occurrence of reduplicated numerals as productionals given by Moeller 2015, Wilmarth 2019. The following example illustrates the phenomena. In example 5, দুটো দুটো করে রুটি দাও একসাথে সব দিও না, meaning give 2 breads at a turn. Do not give all at once. So here duto, meaning 2 in Bangla, is repeated twice. Duto duto. And here it is fully reduplicated, and classifier is also reduplicated in this phrase, and this giving rise to productionality, that is quantifying the event. In this above example, the event sequence and productionality is expressed by reduplicating the numerals. Here it can be observed that reduplicated numerals in Bangla can sometimes also be used as a linguistic tool to encode event sequence or quantification of event, objects and entities. So these reduplicative numerals are giving this meaning to this plurality as well as productionality. Next slide, please. So in conclusion, this paper highlights the distributive effects of reduplicative numerals in Bangla. Bangla reduplicative quantification is an eminent strategy of quantification. Reduplicated numerals form an intrinsic pattern that is capable of encoding different kinds of semantic information and interpretation, meaning plurality, most importantly distributive plurality. That reduplicative numerals do not occur as a compound word, but rather as a phrase at the QP number phrase note, where both of the constituents are modified by case markers or classifiers. And we have also observed that the classifiers are also sometimes reduplicated with these reduplicative numerals, and sometimes it is not reduplicated. The reduplicated numeral phrases in Bangla not only expresses distributed plurality, but also they encode focus and productionality with implicit focus marker. Therefore, the semantic structure of the reduplicated numerals in Bangla, this is an interesting issue, yields multi-layered features and implicit interpretations. Okay, so next slide. These are the references. These are the references for this presentation. Thank you for your attention. Dhanyabad.
Thank you, Nandini ji. You have finished your paper on time.